student, welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to study a topic, a partnership. So first we study the term capital. So what is meant by capital? Whenever we want to start any business, okay, or enterprise, so for that purpose money is required, okay, raw material is required, or the many different things are required to start a business, okay. So at that time, first most important thing is what? It is necessary to invest a money to start a business, and that amount, that rupees, is called a capital. So I am writing here the definition. Suppose when starting a business, money is required for an office, okay, then to purchase raw materials, okay, etc. So that amount is called the capital. Is called what? The capital. Okay, and next term is comes, then what is meant by partnership? Okay, so partnership means what? Now suppose it is not possible to start a business, whatever the capital is required, it is not possible for a single person to invest a capital for the business. So at that time, the two or more people put a money for the capital to start a business, okay. So at that time, it is said to that there is a partnership between that two or more peoples. So we can say that the two or more people put in money for the capital, okay, or people start business by investing in the partnership, okay. So in that business partnership, all partners have a joint account in the bank, okay, and the profit made or the loss incurred is shared by the partners in proportion to the money each one has invested, okay. So it is called a what? Partnership. So let us consider one example through which it will be easy to understand the concept of partnership. So example is what? A Jhelum and Atharva invested 2100 and 2800 rupees respectively and started a business they made a profit of 3500 rupees. How should it be shared? Should it be shared? Okay, so again I am reading a problem. A Jhelum and Atharva, these two peoples are there. They are invested 2100 and 2800 rupees. Means Jhelum invested 2000 rupees, Atharva invested 2800 rupees and started a business. and they made a profit of 3,500 rupees. So how should it be shared? Means how the profit can be shared among these two peoples. Okay, so for that consider a proportion of investment, because Atharva and Jhelum, they are not invested the money equally, because there is a difference. Jhelum is 2100 and Atharva invested 2800 rupees. So just we are finding out the 2100 upon 2800. Okay, so we can write here, so this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel, then 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 3 upon 4 means what? 3 as to 4 means this is the what? 3 by the what? Jhelum. Okay, and 4 by the what? Atharva. So this is the proportion of sharing the investment. Means what? Whatever the investment proportion is there, the same proportion will be of profit. Okay, so we can write here the profit also be shared in the same proportion. Also be shared in the same proportion. Okay, so we know that the 3 and the x, so we don't know the what would be the profit to be shared in that proportion. So we already studied the concept of variable. Okay, so here we consider, suppose x as a variable, so we consider Jhelum's profit. Jhelum's profit, what is its share? 3. So Jhelum profit will be 3x. Okay, and Atharva's profits, Atharva's profit, it becomes what? 4x. So there is a proportion of profit sharing among these Jhelum and Atharva, and we know that what? That is the total profit will be what? 3,500. So we can write Atharva's profit plus Jhelum profit is equal to total profit 3,500. So 3x plus 4x becomes 7x is equal to 3,500. So x is equal to 3,500. So 7 is here is a multiply. So it becomes divide. So 7 5s are 35 and this 0. So x is equal to 500. Means here we just find out the proportion that to be shared. X is 500. But here we asked to how should it be shared. So we know that the Jhelum's profit is 3x. So 3 into x we have calculated 500. So 3 into 500, that is 1500 rupees. Okay. Then Atharva's profit is 4x. So here is the 4 into x is 500. So 2000 rupees. So answers are what? 1500 rupees and 2000 rupees. So like this, these are Jhelum and Atharva invested money to start a business. So total capital is what? 2100 plus 2800, that is a 4900. It is the what? Capital, that is invested money. Okay, and their partnership proportion is what? 3 as to 4. Okay, so accordingly they have a profit of 3,500 rupees. So how it would be shared? How they are they invested 3 as to 4. So profit also shared among them in proportion 3 as to 4. So 1500 and 2100. Okay, so I hope all of you understood partnership and how to solve the problems on partnership. Okay, thank you.